Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no notification sound problem on iOS 17. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, you need to do a silent mode check. This might seem obvious, but double check that your ringer switch on the left side of your iPhone isn't flipped to silent mode. A new feature in iOS 17 allows you to set focus modes that silence notifications entirely. Ensure you're not accidentally in a focus mode that silences notifications. So go to Control Center and swipe down to see your active focus modes. Tap on one to disable it if necessary. Alternatively, go to Settings, then under Focus check if any focus modes are enabled and configured to silence notifications. Another solution is to restart iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes clear temporary glitches that might be causing the notification sound issue. Follow the appropriate method for restarting your iPhone model. If none of the above solutions work, it's recommended to contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help diagnose the problem and provide more specific solutions. You can find them in the official Apple website. That is how to fix no notification sound problem on iOS 17. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.